In today's discussion post, I will be talking about artificial food dyes and what it can do to our children. I hope after you hear this video that it brings you some awareness or validation into what you are doing for your children or even yourself. Artificial food colors are items such as blue 1, blue 2, green 3, red 3, red 40, yellow 5, and 6. There are some citrus red, which means that it can be found in oranges or squash. It is crazy the amount of dyes that can be injected into our fruits if they are not organic, so the farmers can sell them better. The FDC can also list artificial numbered dyes as artificial color. If you take out artificial colors in our foods and stuff, there are plenty of alternatives to make the colors. So for like yellow, you can use turmeric. For reds, a lot of people or companies can use beet juice, and that is actually what Nesquik strawberry powder milk is, beet juice or beet powder. There are things such as M&Ms that are artificially colored versus the natural flavored ones. So the Skittles and the M&Ms, they do have different brands that are made with natural colors. They do taste pretty similar and very good, as well as healthy for you. This topic is very near and dear to my heart because my son reacts to the numbered colors, and that's really the only reason that it was brought to my attention, is because of how my son reacts to the numbered dyes in all of our foods. Once we started taking those away, we realized and saw a huge difference in his attitude, his behavior, his listening skills, and all like that. What numbered dyes do in our foods, what they do to our bodies, they can increase hyperactivity, behavioral issues, more emotional problems. They can also cause true allergy reactions such as like throat swelling, facial swelling, rashes, anything like that. I read a story about someone who couldn't have red 40 because of like a physical reaction, and like even if he touched the red 40, whatever he touched, his face would swell up or his hand would swell up. So red 40 and blue and the yellows and the greens, they don't always have to be a physical reaction. They can be a more internal, emotional, mental reaction. In Genesis uh, in Genesis 1:29, God talks about how he gave us seed-bearing plants and trees to give us food and to reproduce all of these things. So it's the same kind of thing. Why not use our foods that we can grow naturally to color the foods that we ingest? I really hope that the United States takes a more serious note towards that, such like the other countries like France, the United Kingdom, Austria, and Finland.